Ekotech is a family company, backed by years of experience, based in Jarosław in the Podkarpackie region of Poland. The company's mission is to continuously grow, develop and manufacture modern plastic products. Ekotech supplies products to many reputable companies that are leaders in their respectable industries both in the country and abroad. Since its founding, the company has focused on solutions in the area of environmental protection, manufacturing, among other things, containers for selective collection of municipal waste, which contribute to environmental protection in many European countries. Currently, the company focuses its activities in three main areas: lamination processes, thermoforming, and machining on CNC machines. CNC machine tools operating in 5 axes are able to process products up to 9 meters long, 4 meters wide, and 2 meters high in materials such as aluminium, plastics, modeling boards, or wood. In the lamination process, the company produces high-quality laminates based on polyester and epoxy resins, reinforced with glass or carbon fibers, with high mechanical and chemical strength and resistance to changing weather conditions. Laminating processes are carried out in manual technology, spray technology, RTM technology, and vacuum infusion technology. In the vacuum thermoforming process, in which products of specific shapes are formed from heated foils or plates, Ekotech can form materials such as ABS boards, HDPE boards, or LDPE boards. Our modern design office is able to quickly and effectively develop new products. Thanks to qualified and experienced staff and the use of raw materials from reputable companies, Ekotech products can boast of good quality, confirmed by many awards and certificates. Every year, Ekotech increases its production capacity by investing in new production halls and modern machines, providing its customers with the highest quality of ordered products, as well as all logistic solutions that ensure timely deliveries.